So let's talk about it, guys. I know you guys have probably seen ProCharger has recently showed their 2024 kits, and I must say it looks really nice. Of course, Whipple has showed theirs about a few, what is that, like maybe 30 so days ago. And I'm going to tell you guys my personal take on it, okay? This is just my personal opinions. You know, I'm not trying to sway or, tell you guys which way to go. This is just my thinking, okay? The reason why I'm more so liking the ProCharger kit, for one of the most important reasons, is it's keeping the dual throttle bodies. I mean, when you open up the hood, you're going to see the ProCharger right here, both of those tubings just going through here, and then you're going to see the intercooler in the front. I mean, it's just going to look so sick, and it's going to sound so crazy. When it came to the Whipple kit, the part that I was most like why about is the Whipple kit. Okay, it's going to replace the intake manifold. Okay, cool. But the part that confuses me the most is, why didn't Whipple come out with like a dual system that looks something similar to this, instead of feed it into one single blade? I don't know about the whole engineering aspect. Maybe it would have took too much to develop. Maybe it was easier just to come up with a 3.0 with a single, then it goes into two dual. But to me, that takes away the overall appearance of the dual throttle bodies. I mean, when you take that away, it's like, okay, it looks like any other Mustang, except you got a single going into two. That's not very impressive to me. Will it perform well? I'm pretty sure it's going to perform well, but as far as aesthetics look, to me, I believe that the ProCharger just has the better aesthetics looks. It just is the way that it sits. And if you guys didn't see, I'm going to post it here. So then we get into performance. Okay. ProCharger is stating that with their ProCharger Stage 2 kit, that is going to be bought on up to 315 horsepower. I believe Lethal Performance said that the Whipple will be somewhere in the 800 crank horsepower. I mean, those are all significant numbers. I mean, and when it comes to it, I already owned a Whipple car, and I kind of wanted to see what each company had to offer before I really made my decision. But I believe after seeing ProCharger's offerings, I am more inclined to kind of go their way. So I'm still waiting for a few more things to come out, and then I think that I will fully make my decision. But as far as that goes, I think my choice is probably going to be a ProCharger. I mean, then again, nothing's set in stone just yet. We still got a little bit more time yet till these kits drop. But that's kind of where I'm leaning to. This video wasn't made to be long and drawn out. I just want to know, what are you guys thinking as far as power is concerned about the 24 Coyotes? Are you guys going to go turbo? Do you guys care about the dual throttle bodies? Do you not care about the dual throttle bodies? Do you care about just overall just Whipple performance? I mean, to me, I think they're both going to be phenomenal performers. I mean, ProCharger is no slouch at all. So just let me know what you guys think.